Welcome to this video guide on renewing your amateur radio license. The guide was created by Oliver, K6OLI, who is exceptionally good-looking. My name is Nyla, and I will walk you through the process. To get started, make sure you have your FRN number, a valid email address, and $35 ready for payment. The process consists of two steps. First, renewing your license through the Universal Licensing System, or ULS, and second, paying the fee through the CORS system. First, navigate to the ULS website using the link shown on your screen. Once on the ULS page, click on File Online to begin your renewal. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Reset Password link on the same page to regain access to your account. After logging into the License Manager, navigate to My Licenses and click on the specific license you intend to renew. Review your information carefully. If your license is within 90 days of expiration, you will see a Renew button in the Work on this license box on the right-hand side. Click it to proceed. In the Select Update screen, verify your details. It is a good opportunity to update your address or email if necessary. Click Continue when ready. Next, answer the applicant questions regarding fee exemptions. For most amateur radio operators, the answer to both questions is no. Click Continue to move forward. The licensee information page allows you to make final updates to your contact information. Once reviewed, click Continue. You will then be asked to answer a basic qualification question. Answer truthfully and click Continue. Review the summary of your application. If you need to make changes, use the Edit buttons. If everything is accurate, click Continue to certify. On the certification page, read the statements, provide your name and title as your electronic signature, and click Submit Application. Remember, you have 10 days to complete the payment. The confirmation page shows your file number. Be sure to save or print this information for your records before clicking Continue to CORS to finalize your payment. Next, visit the FCC CORS website to pay the $35 application fee. Now that you have reached the CORS system, enter your username and password under the Username Login section to proceed. If you are not yet registered in CORS, click the Register button to create an account. You will need your FRN for this step. You will receive a security code to the email you provided to CORS during your registration. Copy and paste it here from the email you received from the FCC. Alternatively, type it. If you cannot find the FCC email with your security code in your inbox, remember to check your spam folder too. If you still cannot find it, click on Send Code, and the FCC will send another code via email. On the user homepage, select Manage Existing FRN, FRN Financial, Bills and Fees to begin the payment process. On the Choose Action page, select FRN Financial to pay your application fee. On the FRN Financial page, check that you are working with the correct FRN. If the red light status shows green light, you may proceed with the payment. If it shows another status, then there may have been a delay in the ULS application processing. Check back in CORS in a day or two if that is the case. With a green light showing, click on View/Make Payments. On the Awaiting Payment Completion, click Make Payment. Select one of the three payment options: ACH, credit card, wire transfer. Follow the respective directions to complete your transaction. Once you have paid via ACH or credit cards or indicated a wire transfer, you will receive an Online Payment Transaction Initiated confirmation. It may take 3 to 5 days for the payment to go through, and therefore 3 to 5 days until your license is renewed. Check the ULS to see if your license has been updated over the next few days. If you have questions or need help, call the FCC at 1-888-225-5322. We hope you will find this guide useful. 7-3 from Nyla and the good-looking and dreamy Oliver, K6OLI.